So we just got breakfast with the boys. Even though it's not Saturday, you know, you always gotta make time for the boys. We're gonna try and set up this meet at this vape shop. It's a pretty good spot. The owner's super chill. We got a bunch of sponsors for it. So we just got done at Blazing Vapes in Bikini. We made some mock-ups for the flyer for the car meet. It's gonna be freaking great. I'm pretty excited. What about you? You pretty excited, bro? All right. Yeah, cool. Sounds good. We're about to head to Trinity Park. Here we come. We're gonna get some delicious shots. Wow, nice catch. They've been like playing country for the past like 30 seconds and it's pissing me off. Like, who the f do you think you even are? I don't understand. Quick pit stop at the gas station. Got some good old Yeet sponsor me check mix. And now we're off to Trinity Park. I think they make oil there.
Use the right lane to
Basically here. Guess who just arrived at Trinity Park? It's me. Pretty nice. Very good spot, I think. We decided to walk around and try and find some spots before we drive to them in order to use our time the most efficient. They got a freaking train here. It's hot as f, so we're gonna drive around and look for a spot. Johnny's bloated! Ah! Wait, I don't have my seatbelt on.
Oh no!
It's so dangerous.
What a bad boy.
We just found spot number 1. Oh, hello. Hey, you gotta stop. Stop! We freaking found a place, booze. Duck crossing, more like animal Spot number 3 or 4. Oh my god, this is sick. Yeah, you should mark this one too.
I can't do my phone's at 7%.
And we got lost.
I found a place to break down.
Are they scared of this?
They're scared it's gonna collapse.
I don't know if they're just looking around or if they're fucking scared of driving.
Oh, this just got too much power. That focused power, you know?
It's a big
The Big Gay. Yeah, we decided to call the car meet the Big Gay. I didn't consult the others about the name yet, but I'm just hoping that they agree with me. Check it out. It rotates. How awesome is that? And it says mothers. Wow. Now that's epic. You get a super high shot. We're also still lost, and I refuse to use my phone. What's up? It's Rob Stritch here, coming at you live from the Forerunner headquarters. We're still lost. I'll keep you posted. We just found out the Forerunner can launch.
It won't fucking burn out, but it will.
Of course you tried it already. It's not gonna burn out in these big ass tires.
Of course he tried it already.
Fucking oh my god.
Oh!
Oh my god, that was so hot.
Told you a lot, dude.
That was fucking delicious.
Ooh! Catch catch me out here with the. Yo. Just got done taking some photos. They'll be up on screen now. Some of them. They're mainly of the MR2 because that's kind of the only car we have here. We have the 4Runner, pretty badass. We just finished another shoot. We're sweaty as fuck because we had to run around a bunch, and he doesn't have AC, so. Oh, thanks for drinking my Gatorade. Thanks for that. Alright, so we're heading back now. Successful photo shoot, definitely. Got some photos of the 4Runner, MR2. Got a fuck ton of photos for the MR2. Going up on the Instagram soon. And we got an hour drive ahead of us. So let's go. It's a Type R, bro! Type R spotted and a CRX. Let's go. EF wagon. Oh my fuck, man. That's sick. Alright, so it's a few days later, and, well, we made it home safely, especially my dogger. His name is Echo, I know, he's cute. Got a bunch of photos of Johnny's MR2 and Fernando's 4Runner. I'm gonna edit those, post them on the Instagram, at RollingFours, so go ahead and follow that for constant updates on cars and other things. Follow it, alright? Trust me on this. Just follow it. Anyways, subscribe down below, you know, for more vlogs or for any other car edits or anything like that. We're gonna be posting it all on there, and hit the bell icon, and also check out our merch store. We're working on posting merch on our Instagram, so again, follow our Instagram to stay updated with merch. We're making merch that I feel like is freaking sick, and I'm super hyped for it. All the boys are helping out with designs, and we're all just putting our all into this, and it's great. I'm pretty hyped for it. So yeah, see you guys in the next one.